YTPC, good afternoon. Curmudgeon Piper. Sitting on the lanai, feeling rather curmudgeonly today for some reason. You ever got one of those days where you wake up and things aren't going the way you want them to? That's how it's going with me. Most of that's my fault. In honor of the last day of summer, I'm smoking Peterson Summertime 2013 blend in my Peterson, sitting out on the lanai, drinking coffee. And for the first time in a while, I'm using my Zippo. I don't know if you can see that. Sinatra 100th birthday celebration Zippo from 2015. Don't know why I'm out of sorts today. Shouldn't be. Very blessed today. Sometimes desires overshadow the blessings that are there. I particularly have to be very careful with that. So, last day of summer. I am tickled with that. Autumn is my absolute favorite time of year, so I'm very much looking forward to the summer of 2018 going away. Not just because autumn's my favorite time of year, but it hasn't been a pleasant summer on a variety of different fronts that I may talk about sometime later in the future. But right now, it's just nice to sit on the lanai and enjoy a pipe and coffee. Don't really have much to talk about. Been enjoying all the giveaways and the VRs, and plan on trying to get to a few of those in the next day or so. Done a couple, but hey, I do want to reach out and thank you all who have subscribed to this channel. I think I'm up to 12 since I started earlier this week, that's pretty cool. I appreciate that. I hope I can find things of interest to talk about, and I hope you find things of interest to listen to while I'm talking about them. So, the close of summer. It's been a hot one here in North Carolina. It hasn't been pleasant. One of the reasons it hasn't been pleasant, our house is for sale. It's been under contract. It's on its third contract now. We don't currently live there. The story behind that is, and one of the reasons it's been a kind of a trying summer, is we put the house on the market in June, went under contract in a couple of days. The due diligence date that was presented to us by our then realtor, who we're not dealing with anymore. Anyhow, he gave us the wrong due diligence date. So he told us a Friday. We went out and found a new place to live. Moved out after the end of the due diligence date that had been given to us. And for those of you who don't know, that means that earnest money was put up, and there was a due diligence date that once it went past the due diligence date, the earnest money was kept. It wasn't returned to the person who made the offer. So anyway, we were told it was a Friday. We had found the place we wanted to move to. We moved, only to learn that the due diligence date was 4 days later. By the time we found that out, we were pretty much moved out and moved into this new place. So it's been a challenge financially to maintain 2 residences, 2 sets of utility bills, and my wife's health issues, as I've mentioned. I've made it a long, hot summer, so I'm fine with it. Matter of fact, I'll be fine to see 2018 go away altogether. But we're okay. We're going to be fine. I am a believer that God has a plan that's better than ours, and so we will be fine according to His plan and not according to ours. That's what I have to remember on a daily basis. The plans that I have had for today are not going to work out the way that I planned them to, and I need to be okay with that. That's my heart issue. Something that I struggle with is change. Funny thing about change is it's always there. So we should always expect it and be accommodating. I struggle with being accommodating. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Anyhow, enjoying this summertime. It's 5 years old. The tobacco, not the season of the year. Had it jarred up since 2013. And it's not bad. Need a relight here in a second, which is hard to do. Try to see if I can get the Zippo to work out while I'm talking to you. Went out on me. Oh. I have to get a match. Anyhow, you folks have a fine Friday. If you have the opportunity, have a cold beverage of your choice. I plan on having a glass of bourbon later. And you folks have a enjoyable last day of summer. I hope you're looking forward to autumn as much as I am. I know some of you are probably shorts and flip-flops. I'm not. I'm ready for cardigans and pipes and warm beverages. Anyhow, y'all have a great rest of the day.